Now we're introducing our Sierra brand pool chemicals. What is very unique about our Sierra brand chemicals is that we've not only had it for over 50 years, but we have thousands of customers who rely on it each and every day. Not all chlorine is created equal. When choosing the chlorine that is right for your pool, you have 4 choices. You can either choose a 1 or a 3-inch tablet, a super stick, or the granulated form of dichlor. Sierra 3-inch and 1-inch chlorine tabs is the same as our pure sticks. These are highly effective and providing regular chlorination to your pool water. Also containing a UV shield in its blend to protect the chlorine from loss to the sun's ultraviolet rays. Its 90% available chlorine makes sanitation of your pool simple. Sierra dichlor. This is a basic granular chlorinating product which is added periodically directly to the pool water by broadcasting it over the surface of the water. It quickly dissolves and is safe for all pool surfaces. Any of these sanitizing products offered by Sierra will effectively treat your pool, but you should consult with your authorized Sierra dealer to determine exactly what product best meets your needs. Now introducing our algae preventive products of Sierra. For basic preventive maintenance for algae, Sierra Algatrol 50. This is an excellent algicide, provides an effective defense against algae growth. It is a broad spectrum algicide and is non-staining and will not affect the balance of your pool water. The next level of algae defense is going to be our Sierra Super Algicide 60. This highly concentrated algicide also provides an effective defense against algae growth. It is non-foaming and non-staining. This algicide is also used commonly in waterfalls and fountains because it does not foam or affect the pH of the water. In our last line of defense for protection against algae growth in your swimming pool is our Sierra Algatrol 7. If you have lily pads growing in your pool, this is exactly what you need. This powerful algicide effectively removes all forms of algae. It is particularly powerful against mustard and black algae. You have several different ways of making your Sierra pool crystal clear. One way of keeping your pool crystal clear with our Sierra brand product is with our shock treatments. Our Sierra Power Magic Super Oxidizer is a shock treatment that kills bacteria and controls algae. It also restores a crystal clarity to pool water and enhances water quality. Our next shock treatment is our Sierra Shock and Swim. For a quick solution, this chlorine-free shock effectively oxidizes waste with the added benefit of allowing swimmers to resume enjoying the pool just 15 minutes after the treatment is added. It is safe for all pool surfaces and won't bleach pool liners. Another effective way to keep your pool crystal clear is with our Sierra Easy Clear. This product binds microscopic particles in your pool water together so that they are large enough to be removed by the filter and backwashed or cleaned out of your pool. If the Easy Clear doesn't work for clearing up your pool, jump up to the Super Easy Clear, the 4-in-1 pool water clarifier by Sierra. This highly concentrated clarifier drops cloud-causing particles that have formed in the swimming pool water and are too small to be trapped into the filter to the bottom to be vacuumed to waste. Now to our balancing chemicals of Sierra. First we have pH plus and pH minus. pH is the most important factor in water balancing. The proper levels should be between 7.2 and 7.8 are considered acceptable for swimming pool water. Total alkalinity increaser. Total alkalinity is a measure of the alkaline materials dissolved in water, which helps keep the pH at a proper level. Testing the total alkalinity is recommended weekly. Calcium hardness increaser. Calcium hardness refers to the amount of dissolved minerals in the water. Proper calcium levels for goodnight pools range between 200 parts per million to 275 parts per million. And for above ground vinyl pools, it is recommended at 180 parts per million to 250 parts per million. A low calcium hardness can lead to corrosion of equipment or etching of a plaster finish. Calcium hardness too high causes cloudy water and scale. It is recommended that you test your calcium hardness levels on a weekly basis. For keeping chlorine in your swimming pool, we have Sierra Sunscreen. Sunscreen protects the chlorine from the sun's rays, increasing the life efficiency of the chlorine. Proper sunscreen levels range between 30 parts per million to 50 parts per million. Sunscreen is also called stabilizer or cyanuric acid. If you are using well water, Metal Exit from Sierra is just what you need. This is a stain and scale remover for swimming pools. It effectively removes metals from pool water by crystallizing the particles for removal through the filtration. In areas with hard water where calcium hardness exceeds 300 parts per million, it is advisable to use Sierra Metal Exit. Now that you've seen the benefits of our Sierra brand pool chemicals, if you have any questions or concerns regarding any of the chemicals, please call us at 630-963-4222 or visit us on our website at www.norbertpools.com.